try mo lang.
Fly me to the moon and let me play along the stars. Da-da-da-da-da.
Let me see what spring is like.
Kasi po yung lyrics mo, actually lahat po sila, yung lyrics nila, lalo na po yung Big Girls Don't Cry, yung no si Balas.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Fly Me to the Moon?
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars.
Para
Let
sa
me see
guy,
what spring is
kinakanta.
like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. Pag kasama mo kasi yung tao,
It's so wonderful. Yeah, it's like I'm going to the moon.
All the way over with
I'm
you.
in the heavens.
Yun
Nasa
ang-
langit
Ganun
ako.
po ako magmahal, kumbaga.
Aha. Kung ganun ka, piliin mo ngayon. Kaya nga, remember, go back to the, what emotions do you feel now inside that will express how you're feeling right now? No, si Balasi?
Sige
You
na
know?
po. Yun na yun.
Fly me to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Yun. Because if that's how you feel, it's gonna be so easy for you to do it.
Opo.
Zel,
Okay, Arnie.
ito yun sa'yo. Sobra.
Isa lang, ano yun?
Mas ano po.
I am, how does it go? Naku, paano yun? Kung hindi mo alam siya ng lyrics, ibig sabihin, ba't gusto mo?
Pero mataas.
Ba't gusto mo yung I am blessed kung hindi mo alam yung
Naririnig ko
lyrics?
siya, niiyak po ako. Lalo na pag hopeless ako. Parang yun doon na lang ako humugot ng
Ng inspiration.
na
Sige nga,
sobrang blessed ako.
katay mo. If you don't remember the lyrics, just
And I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes. I think of all the friends who touch my life. I realize there's something more than I am loved and I am blessed. Tapos mag-modulate. And I am blessed. Ganun. Ulit.
yun lang ang choice mo. That's all.
Na 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 la 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 na 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 la 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 na 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 la 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 and I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes.
Okay, so you're sold on that. That's what will bring your feelings out. Yun ang your feelings out. That's why I keep repeating it. Because then that's what's going to really, really work. Okay? It will soar. Okay, she likes I am blessed. Oh, to the undecided, balik tayo, Lisel. Ano?
Zel.
Pwede pa yung Perina humor ko.
Pwede ba yun? Yung kinanta mo nun? Ano yung kinanta mo?
Yung ba yung kinanta mo on stage talaga with Direct Joey, Mr. C,
Opo.
Ma'am Kichi?
Bali, dalawang kanta po yun.
Ano yung na-airplay talaga doon? Ano yung
Yun nga
napakita
po.
doon talaga? Yun?
Alin? Alin yun?
On the
I
side.
think if it's a song in the final casting night, okay lang yun. Ang iniiwasan natin yung gala. Yung mga nakanta nyo sa gala.
Hindi po siya panggi.
Okay, kung final casting night, I think we can bend the rule there.
Ayun pala eh. Wala lang.
No? Pwede naman siguro yun kung final casting night at hindi naman gala night.
Hindi po kung Jesus is my portion.
What was it again? Sige, Which one was that?
Ano po?
Alam, may isa po ito
I've never been so certain. I've never been so sure. We're on the side of angels. If we believe this love is pure, is it so hard to trust it? 'Cause we've been wrong before.